Good day, my friends. What's up? Hey, I'm here to talk to you about the health of your hearing because for your own health, for your own sake, let me tell you that today you don't have to depend on expensive medications anymore to actually treat things like tinnitus, to actually regain your hearing and prevent future hearing loss. Today we have something known as Zen Cortex amongst us, and it is actually a natural supplement that contains the best natural ingredients ever in it. And Zen Cortex is easy to use, natural, safe, and it does have a money-back guarantee in case you do start a treatment but you don't like it. So today I am here to talk to you about everything regarding Zen Cortex. Just make sure you stay up to the last second to discover what this supplement truly is. If you do want to purchase Zen Cortex, I know they have an official webpage, and since my job here is to help you guys out, I already placed their official webpage link just below this video in the description box. And I did that because I know the struggles that sometimes people go through to find an official webpage. It's hard, I know. Sometimes you don't know if you're in the right place. So here for you, it's just a click away and you're going to be making a really safe purchase. All right. But what you have to know about Zen Cortex is pretty much why it exists, okay? So this was created for people who do want to live a much more steady, natural, and healthier lifestyle. Zen Cortex contain grapeseed, green tea extract, Panax, chromium, maca root, gabdema, capsicum. So these are natural ingredients that are all phenomenal when it comes to treating hearing, because we get ingredients that can help you with inflammations, ingredients that can help you to slowly regain your hearing, as well as take care of cognitive problems and just boost up your energy, boost up your neuroprotective properties and protect your ears. Basically, get rid of earaches, get rid of ear problems, okay? So that's why Zen Cortex today is standing out in the market, because this hearing formula is easy to use. Guys, it comes as a liquid form. So pretty much you just fill that little glass dropper up. And I know some people don't like really strong herbal extract taste, right? But that's where Zen Cortex is different, because you can actually be mixing this to your tea, your coffee, your juice, or even water and take it. But of course, it is a treatment that does need to be taken very seriously. So once you pop over to their official webpage, you're going to see that you can do either like a 3 months treatment or a 6 months treatment. It's always best to do the full one, just so your body can totally absorb up all of these ingredients and deliver amazing results. But guys, it's really up to you. This is going to be phenomenal for helping you reduce your tinnitus or maybe even get rid of it. And it's going to be really great for your mind, your brain, and of course, your hearing. So once you decide that you're going to do your treatment with Zen Cortex, awesome. Just remember to take it seriously. It is natural. It has no GMOs and no stimulants. So the results do appear like at a much slower pace, but it's at a totally natural pace. And of course, there is a money back guarantee. If it doesn't work out for you, you have a total of 60 days to be requesting a full refund. So what are you waiting for? Pop over to their official webpage to learn more about Zen Cortex. I can guarantee you're not going to regret it. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.